RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Pricing explained what you get for your money. The RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege card is more than just a credit card, but most people get this wrong. They assume the high annual fee isn't worth it. The surprising truth is that for frequent travelers and big spenders, the perks and rewards can more than offset the cost. The annual fee is around, which might seem steep at first. You won't believe what you get in return: up to 1.25 Avion points per dollar spent on most purchases, comprehensive travel insurance including trip cancellation, flight delay coverage, and emergency medical insurance. Premium airport lounge access and concierge services are also included, adding value that's often overlooked. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the annual fee. They don't consider redemption flexibility. Avion points can be used on flights, hotels, and even transferred to partner loyalty programs, often at rates better than other credit cards. For example, booking a flight could cost us 40 points, which is far more rewarding than cash-back alternatives. In conclusion, the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card is priced to reflect premium benefits. By understanding the points' earning potential, travel perks, and insurance coverage, you go from zero to pro in maximizing both convenience and value. For frequent travelers, it's more than a credit card, it's a travel toolkit.